But over in House 3, Daniel is at a loss, because after presenting 3 rooms last week, money is tight.
Keith, struggling with budget, but like with workers, we're trying to get prices down. Not down, but just where they should be.
They're on a budget?
Just trying to budget, because I went $4,000 over on my master.
So our budget's sort of, been this dark cloud following us for a little bit. And it's sort of hard for us to swallow because it's so early on. We did not want that at all.
And you're trying to get all your tradies to reduce their prices, but they're not playing ball.
No, I wouldn't say that.
We don't want to, beat our trades down, to nothing as well. They've all got families to feed. They work their asses off for us every week. They help us, because I'm learning. I don't know where the bloody hell lights go.
Quite often they're only here for 2 or 3 hours, so they want to try and hold their price up because they think they're spending more time, more time in the car, less time on site, sort of thing. When they say budget woes and goes, for us it's $4,000 over. It's the second week we've had to carry it over from our master ensuite, so we're hoping to claw that back slowly. However, trying to claw back money is pretty hard.
And also, Daniel and I had a vision to, see a piece of Christian coal go into our house in kitchen week, but we need to sort out the budget.
I'll screw this in a big heavy bugger.
Sounds like someone's in trouble. There's only one guy who can fix this problem, and it's yours truly.
Oh, hello. I got here as soon as I could. What is going on?
Well, look, matey, we have been working on something big that we've been trying to sneak through, but... So we've been working with Christian Cole for a while now.
Ooh, Christian Cole.
So he's working very closely with Kingsman. He's created this beautiful piece to wrap around the island bench. It's going to be full custom walnut wrap around the front to a beautiful seating area down against the glass behind us. 4 stools to go underneath it with a kitchen table to match.
Christian Cole, he's a great mate of mine.
Oh, really?
Yes, yes.
Oh, excellent.
One of the best cabinet makers in Australia, I reckon.
Yeah, we would have to agree.
And we've seen his work many, many times on the block over the years. He's the bee's knees when it comes to bespoke wood furniture.
So we have had a few budget issues that have followed us. And now we're into kitchen week. We're a little bit worried that we're not going to be able to afford Christian. So we're asking if you can give to us the money that has been put forward for the Game Changer to be able to afford Christian.
The Suncorp Game Changer.
The Suncorp Game Changer.
And then in the coming weeks, you want him to build a dining room table as well to match that, timber, out of walnut, and that'll be all part of the Suncorp Game Changer.
Yes.
If Christian Cole is involved, tick.
Nice.
Suncorp Game Changer approved.
Wow.
Straight away. Yeah.